up, y'all? JazzJanay here. Hold on. And today I'm going to be doing a pack with me. A lot is going on. We're trying to get justice for our black people. We're trying to get us seen as human beings, and it's a shame that we have to do all this just to be seen as humans, just to be seen as equal, you know. So Black Lives Matter. Do what you gotta do. Protest, donate, sign petitions, do whatever you gotta do to get your point across. You know, we are in some trying times right now. We're still dealing with a pandemic and all that, but at the same time, life is still happening, and we just need to also celebrate seeing another year, being able to see another year. It's people that has not been able to see another year because of police brutality and just us not being seen as human beings, not being seen as equal. So, you know, y'all may get on me for going to celebrate with my best friend while all this is going on, but we are just happy as two black women, two educated black women, you know, we're just happy to see another year because our lives does not matter to a lot of people. So we're gonna celebrate and we're gonna be happy. So that's just my little snippet on that. This is her birthday gift. I got her a Pandora bracelet. I can show this on camera, but it's a real cute Pandora bracelet, and it has a charm on it that says friends are the family that you choose. And I'ma also get, probably like Christmas or something like that, I may get us matching charms because I have a Pandora bracelet as well. So, you know, on some best friend-ish, you know. So yeah, I have new hair. I just got this hair from the beauty supply store, and I did a real quick weave. That's better. I did a quick weave, half up, half down. You know, it may not be as neat as a professional, but it's gonna work for this little trip that we taking to the cabins. You know, I didn't leave any of my hair out in the back. I do have my hair in a ponytail up here, and I just wrapped some weave around it. But other than that, it's a pretty protective style, and it was very fast. I did my hair so fast and stuff like that. But maybe I'll do a tutorial on this. This is just some cheap Brazilian hair from the beauty supply store and all that. So I'm in a rush. We leave at 11. It's a little road trip. We leave at 11, so I'm just go ahead and do this little pack with me / try on haul if I have time, because I have some other errands to run too. I have to go try to find another bathing suit. So let's get to it. So I'm on my floor right now, and I may just, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I may do a try on haul after this. I may not. But I'm just going to show you guys some of the outfits that I am going to pack. So this is the suitcase that I am going to take with me. I'm not flying or anything, it's just a little road trip, so this will do just fine. And inside of it already, I have an extra bag. This is for me to just put my dirty clothes in. And I just lay this at the bottom of my suitcase. So I just lay it at the bottom of my suitcase. And I already have my Tory Burch sandals packed. So I just like to put them right there. And I already have like my spandex and underwear and stuff in here. And I do have a little swimsuit. I think, yeah, I got this from Fashion Nova. It's a lime green swimsuit. It's a 2-piece. So that's one of the swimsuits that I have. But I do have to run to Target and get another one. And also on this side, I just have some towels and rags packed because we are going to be in a cabin, and I don't know if they have towels or anything. But just me being kind of skeptical about this whole coronavirus still going on, I would like to just take my own. So then I just have this fanny pack because we're going to go to a little amusement park. So I just have my fanny pack for the amusement park. And so we're just gonna pack this side first. So I already have my clothes like folded up and stuff. So these are some little shorts from Target. I got this outfit inspiration from Pinterest. That's where I get a lot of my outfit inspirations from. And then I'm gonna pair it with this leopard print bodysuit. This was in a Boohoo haul. I think I put it in a Boohoo haul. Maybe I didn't, but I got this from Boohoo. And then this is just a white button down that I stole out of my mom's closet. And I just have it tied right here. So yeah, that's one outfit. And I'm just laying them flat. If you can see. I'm just laying them flat inside of the suitcase. Because to me, that just makes more room instead of rolling them up. Especially with this small suitcase. So yeah, next outfit, I got this from H&M. It's just a cute little top. I think I'm gonna wear this with the black fanny pack that I just showed y'all. So I'm gonna wear this to the little theme park, and just these mom jeans that I got from Target. Y'all seen these in a haul. So I'm gonna wear this and that with the fanny pack to a little amusement park with these white platform sneakers that I got from where did I get these from? I think I got these from Boohoo too. Boohoo, yeah, I think I got these from Boohoo. So I'm gonna wear these. No, I got these from where did I get these from? I can't even remember. But yeah, so that's another outfit. And then I just have like a little dress, little t-shirt dress, little tank dress that I'm gonna just put with a jean jacket. And then we get to some of my new items that I got from Missguided. It's just some of their merch. So I just got this royal blue bodysuit. And it has Missguided in yellow across the front. I'm gonna wear these with some gray sweatpants that I got from H&M. This is just a little lounge outfit where we're just kicking it around the cabin and stuff like that. Or we're going on a little quick food run. And I also wear these with the white platform sneakers. And then also, if I want to get a little more dressy, I got this bodysuit from Missguided as well, and it has Missguided in white around it. I mean across the front. So we're only staying for like 2 nights, so I'm really not packing that much. And I hope this tree don't fall on me. And then if we do go out to dinner or something like that, I got this little 2-piece outfit. It is so cute. But I also got this from Boohoo. And it's just the little gacho pants and the red bandeau. The matching bandeau top. It's really cute on. Very classy. And I was just gonna pair that with my Tory Burch sandals that I have in here. And these are just some little pajama sets. Me and my sister, we shop on this website called Shop I Love Jewelry, and they have the little monogram like everything. Me and my sister, we love monogram. I still love monogram to this day. We're little country girls, you know, southern girls, so monogram is everything to us. So I just got this little 2-piece set, and it has my initials right here on the pocket. I just thought that was so cute, and they always have sales on this website. I will put my code down below. And also just this little pajama set from Target. I think you guys seen me in this before. So 2 sets of pajamas for 2 nights. That's just how I'm packing. And then just some bras. I mentioned these bras in one of my favorites. I think it was my October favorites. But I love these bras. They're so comfortable. Just pack my bras right here. Flip that over. Ooh, I hope this tree don't fall on me. I'm gonna pack my little Louis Vuitton pouch as well, and my curling iron and flat iron. Jayla needs me to bring my curling iron, so I'm gonna just pack that. For my little cosmetic bag, my mom got this for me for Christmas one year, and I literally just have everything thrown in here like crazy. Got those two things packed. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing, and then I gotta get going. I'll probably show you guys the bathing suit that I get from Target, but other than that, if I don't show it to you guys, then you know, y'all see pictures on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I'll put my @ name down below right here. Follow me on Instagram. Okay, so I am ready. Put on a little bit of makeup. Got on my travel outfit. This is also from Missguided. I don't know if y'all can really see it in the mirror, but it's just some little biker shorts and this little cropped little hoodie. So yeah, right now I'm just about to this my ponytail is not matching with the weave. So I'm gonna just take some of my hair and just crimp it a little bit just to give it that wavy look instead of just straight and bushy. So now I don't feel so insecure about my hair. So yeah, looking real cute. Looking real cute. I'm also gonna make me a little drinky drink for the road. I didn't even do the gel polish on my toes. I just slapped some white polish on there. It is what it is. So yeah, I'm all over the place. I need to put my nails on. I'm gonna do that after I pack everything in the car though, because I don't need them press-ons popping off. So yeah, let me go ahead and pack everything into the car, and then we're just gonna be on our way to Target. So this is my road trip outfit. On down to the sneakers. This is just some Forces, and I got them in the suede powder pink. Really cute, really fresh. And this set is from Missguided. It's really cute, and it's like in a sage color, and I don't have anything underneath this, just my bra. And I just got on my repurposed Louis Vuitton bracelet, my Pandora bracelet, and my name necklace. So yeah, that looks a lot better. But yeah, this is just what I'm wearing today. and I'm about to go ahead and go downstairs and make this drink, and then go ahead and get on the road. So I have my mask, my phone. I'ma just carry my Kate Spade crossbody, and let's go. So I am just downstairs right now, and I'm about to make me a drink, and then go ahead.
Jay.
Child.
No, this just don't make no sense.
I know.
It really don't. You got to be more responsible.
That's how I drive with him in the morning.
You need to go get you some glasses.
Yeah, she fussing at me because I haven't got any glasses. But I'm gonna get some, don't worry. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how I make my favorite drink. This is a DIY dragon fruit drink from Starbucks. So I don't have any lemonade, but I do have the pink cranberry juice. It is so good, y'all. It tastes like it got a little alcohol in this too, just saying. So most of the stuff that I got from Trader Joe's, this is the sweetened dried orange slices, and so I'm gonna just go ahead and use these up, and I'll just get some more next week when I do my grocery shopping after work. So I just put these down in there, and then the red dragon fruit chips, also got these from Trader Joe's. So just gonna put a few of those in there. And now I'm gonna just put the cranberry, pink cranberry in here. It's way better with lemonade, but we're gonna make it do what it do. Put the top on. And I like to use, well, can't use my glass straw. I'll get my black metal straw, put it in there, shake it up a little bit, and that is my drink. Sunglasses, all there. So yeah, I think I'm good. So I just came out of Target, and I'm gonna just show you guys the swimsuit that I got. So I just got this little red swimsuit. They didn't have anything in there, so I just got one piece, and then I just got some makeup wipes, these cute little sunglasses, and a bottle of wine. It's Pink Moscato by Barefoot. Me and Jayla drink this all the time, so I just got that for the trip, and I got another bottle as well. So yeah, I may put Jayla on here, I may not, I don't know yet, but if I don't, this is the end of this vlog. It was just like a pack with me and prepare with me for my little road trip. So we're gonna get on the road and stuff like that, and just go ahead and just go. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and Black Lives Matter.